Hey guys, we're out here at Vora restaurant having, what they call these things? French 75s.
French 75s.
Kind of foo-foo like. They got a little berry thing in the bottom.
It's kind of us though.
It's cute, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We're in College Hill, so we got to do is the College Hillins, or how do you call that?
Call it Indians.
Collegian, whatever
East
College Hill
Siders.
people do. See, I don't know. Is College Hill East Side? Because I figured that was like Midtown.
That's true. But some people say that just anything east of the river is
Anything
east side.
east of the river. See, but I'm like, as long as it's west of 135, like you're not.
Well, that's a West Sider's perspective.
That's true. I guess you call it squinters, right?
Right.
You call it, like, I guess it depends on time of day, though.
It's
if you're a squinter, if you're not.
Yeah. Whichever way you're driving home.
Right.
Or driving to work.
So what? It's like you guys squint when you're coming in the morning,
Right.
And then yeah.
And then the sun. Yeah.
Got it.
But
Whatever.
we can still be friends.
So I tell people is I'm from the west side. I live downtown. My office is out east, but I get all over selling houses. So,
Right.
don't hate me, mom and dad, but I'm becoming more and more of an east sider. Now it's on the internet, so it's official.
So yeah,
You can always make an east sider or a west sider go east, but you can't make an east sider go west.
that's 100% true.
I've heard of it happen one time. And they got
really
married.
true.
So,
But
anyway, so what's been going good with you, Zach?
everything's been going pretty good, you know. Just getting started in the real estate game, and it's nice weather sitting on this patio. It's a little windy, so my hair might be going a little crazy, but you don't
Your
have
hair?
you don't have that problem.
What's that like?
I know. But it's Masters weekend, so
Ooh, there you go. What you got?
a lot of golf. Oh, I don't know. I set my lineups last night, and they're all just terrible.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. But
See, I like to play sports and watch sports, but I don't really watch them a whole lot. So I don't even know who plays golf right now. Like who's the players?
Justin Thomas, Jordan Spieth's been playing really well. DJ's been playing pretty good. You know, it's just those three young guys pretty much kind of owning everything. You know, you've got some of these, foreign guys that are playing really good too. But
Yeah.
it's pretty much anybody's game. You know, golf.
Yeah.
It's such a big field, you never know.
There you go. Where's it at?
It's at the Masters in Augusta.
Oh, there you go.
So
See, that's how much I
Georgia.
know about it.
Not Augusta, Kansas.
So, cool.
Yeah, other than that, pretty good.
That's good.
What about you?
Let's see. What's been going good? Pickleball's been going good, as always. I love this weather. I love getting out and having patio drinks. Vora's a really good place for it. Like, they got a really good patio set up. They got a pretty good brunch, too, don't they?
They do. Yeah, we've had
We went here one time.
been to their breakfast brunch on Sundays. They do a buffet, but I don't think they're doing it now.
No.
But their dinner is really good too. We just had dinner here Thursday night last week.
There you go.
For my girlfriend's birthday, and yeah, it's really good food. We come here all the time.
What's the little, like, lemon shot they give you at the end? What do they call
I
that?
can't remember what it's called. It's like it's supposed to be like a
palate cleanser?
or like a digestive thing, I think is what
Gotcha.
somebody pitched to me one time. It tastes kind of like Everclear and like
I
a
thought it
little
tasted
dash
like
of
Pine
lemon.
Sol. It's like cleaning detergent.
Yeah.
I've heard, like, some people love it, some people are like,
I
wow.
think that's what it's supposed to do to your body.
Just clean it out.
Yeah.
So.
But yeah, it's something else. It's not very good.
Sorry for it. Everything else is good.
Everything else is amazing, but that shot you give, but I don't think it's supposed to be good.
But I guess you need to come here and experience it for yourself and find
Right.
out. So
Yeah, and they
See
do
how
a
it's
really
going.
good happy hour. They've already 3 to 6.
yeah,
They've got
Monday through Friday.
food, wine, beer on special here, so it's definitely a place you should go.
Yep, and they're here in College Hill, right off. What are we on here? Douglas and Hillside.
Douglas and Hillside.
There we go. Nice little patio. It's one of the good patios in Wichita to hang out on.
Yeah, excited for this weather to stay like this. So.
That's probably what I'm most excited about is the weather
Yeah,
and just like kind of getting back to normal and doing more of this kind of stuff.
yeah.
We got a team lunch tomorrow at Ziggy's too. I'm excited about that.
Very excited about that. That place is always good.
Yep. So life's going good.
Yeah.
I'm excited to start doing stuff shirtless. I know that's kind of odd, but I like doing things shirtless, and that's only appropriate when it's hot out and nice out. So,
Well,
I know that sounds weird, but it's what I like to do. So,
I get
pools.
it.
That's what I'm excited about. Is
I was
pools
gonna say,
opening.
yeah.
That's not till like end of May. Like, why
Yeah,
is it
it's
so
still
long?
we've still got some time left in that.
Yeah,
I mean, you could go swimming, I guess. It'd be kind of cold, but
I would do it.
I know you would. Any opportunity to take your T-shirt off. You and Matthew McConaughey.
It's not a bad comparison.
No, it's not.
Like,
Well,
being
you know,
lumped up there with him.
And I mean, if you look like that, you might as well. I might keep mine on for a couple more months until I get into the beach season. But
yeah, but you got that responsible dad bod, good credit score
right,
type of body.
yeah,
Like,
I'm more relatable.
yeah,
I think.
like that guy's body looks financially sound. Look at that. He looks like he's good with his money with that body.
Yeah. At least I got that going for me.
So
But, yeah.
cool. Anything else you want to say to people before we jump off here? Any wise words of wisdoms or any jokes?
I have a joke.
Awesome.
What did the Scarecrow get an award for?
What?
Being outstanding in his field. That's a good one.
That's a good dad joke.
All dad jokes. All
That's a
day.
very responsible dad joke
Yeah.
right there.
But now, I've got nothing else to add other than come to Vora. It's
Come to
really
Vora,
good.
come check it out. If you want to come get a drink on the patio with Zach and I sometime, let us know.
Yeah,
Zach
absolutely.
will pay for it.
I will.
Just kidding, I will. We'll fight over who gets paid for it.
Right.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.
See ya.